general statement or fact idea. And this statement is the preposition of the central or controlling idea which is expressed in topic sentence. And we have given example paragraph in analyze in the given. And one of this is generalization. In generalization, it is the introduction and it consists with the topic state, where the topic sentence is stated. And the second one and the third one is clarification and elaboration. In these two kinds of paragraph, given paragraph to analyze, you can support the idea or the topic sentence. You can clarify it and you can elaborate it. And the last one is exemplification. It consists of giving a conclusion. I have already discussed about the generalization, elaboration, exemplification, and clarification. And we all know that, and I have already discussed also about the topic sentence, the statement, and the idea. I'm shy and I'm so nervous, that's why I only rate myself 6.
Unity in paragraph. Unity means oneness, a vital characteristic of a well-organized paragraph. Each paragraph or a singular thought and all ideas, examples, and reasons are unified in one block or unified in thought. There are some points to consider to improve your unity in paragraph. First, state the main idea. Second, relate each sentence to that main idea. Third, use the final sentence to end the paragraph. And the last, let these points stick together into a unified text. Unity is required in a sentence in the paragraph to support the main idea.
Good morning, Mrs. Adam. If I'm grading myself from 5 to 10, I'm grading myself 7. Because for me, I think I did my best to explain or to discuss my topic well. But I can also say that there are some mistakes that I do. Example, I'm always looking up on the ceiling because I'm very nervous. And sometimes, when I'm talking on the front, when I'm talking on the front, I'm becoming very nervous, so I can really explain well my lesson all about. But I think that my classmates learn some.
Good morning, classmate. Good morning, Dr. Alam. I'm Lavi Doliente and I'm going to discuss about coherence in paragraph. According to the book, coherence in paragraph allows sentences to stick together through a pattern in order of development and appropriate use of transitional devices. It organizes facts, creating them a logical argument. Alam, I'm Lavi Doliente of CIT 03201A. From 5 to 10, I'm grading myself 9 because I knew that I really did my best and I really prepared for my discussion. I can say that the problem with my report is that I don't have the visual because we prepared some Microsoft presentation but we're not able to borrow a projector.
I'm Jasmine Balas and I'm going to discuss about emphasis in paragraph. We learned in a past lesson that the effective paragraph begins with generalization, which is the introduction, and the topic sentence statement. Next is the elaboration, which support the statement. Third is the clarification, which also support the statement. And lastly, the exemplification, which is the conclusion. Now, I'm going to discuss the emphasis in paragraph. Emphasis in paragraph is a one way to ensure a smooth flow of ideas.
If I'm going to rate myself from 5 to 10, I am rating myself 8 because I believe and I think that I have done my best to make my topic presentable to easily understand it. And I think my voice is enough when I am discussing. I finished it on time and I guess I explained my topic very well because you said that I am very good discusser. But I also admit that I have some errors. Like I am not good in the gestures of my body. I think my classmates understand my topic well, although I have some mistakes. But I notice that I learn from my own.
Good morning, classmates. Good morning, Ms. Alang. I am ready to discuss and answer practice 1, analyzing paragraph sentence. Using the 4-act sequence, number the sentence below as 1 for the general statement or main topic, then 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the supporting details in logical order. Now, I memorize the statements below. Number 1, letter A. He has been the man's best friend. Letter B. Dogs can perform important tasks for people. Dogs make better pets than cat, fish, turtles, or birds. Letter D. They can help blind people cross streets. And letter E. What about those dogs used by the police for their search operations? I answer letter A as number 3, then letter B as 1 or the general statement or topic sentence, letter C as number 2, and letter D, 4, and E as number 5. I answer letter B as the general topic or the main sentence in the statements because it gives the other sentences or the statements below it.
Good morning, Ms. Alam. I am Reggie Ortilio, and now that I am given a chance or opportunity to rate myself, I rate myself as 7 because I had many mistakes in answering the practices, and I'll try my best to answer it well. But unfortunately, because of my shyness and nervousness, I had a wrong decision to change my answer on the spot. That's why my video and my answers are not good. Then I have been noticed that although I have mistakes in answering the practices, I answer it with my own and try my best to answer it well.